My name is Lisa McIntyre. I'm the director of SeaSmart, a nonprofit ocean conservation, marine biology, and scuba organization. Our primary mission is to raise awareness of and develop advocates for the ocean through today's youth. Working with students, I feel the incorporation of the National Geographic educator components will enhance students' experiences and develop an explorer mindset within them. In Phase 2, leveraging the National Geographic educational resources along with supplements, our group of 4 high school students who are currently sheltering in place together during the COVID-19 pandemic participated in a series of activities addressing single-use plastics, why they are harmful to the marine environment, and factors that contribute to their use. In Activity 1, the group started by engaging in brainstorming around what plastic items they think have found their way into the ocean and what the impact is. After reviewing the National Geographic resource on marine debris, the group revisited their original lists to add new things they learned. This discussion highlighted the human and natural world connection, showing how single-use plastic impacts the ocean and its inhabitants.
Plastic is there?
Damage to the reefs.
Bottles.
The group then took a deeper dive into 2 familiar items, plastic beverage bottles and single-use plastic bags. After a brief activity sharing facts about plastic beverage bottle production and use, we had a discussion about reasons why plastic bottles are used locally, as well as spatial and cultural reasons they may not be used in more remote locations globally, providing an opportunity to deepen the understanding of these scales and perspectives. We then turned our discussion to single-use plastic bags. The students read an article about how the current coronavirus is being viewed as an opportunity to remove bans within the country. It discussed scientific facts for why there is no basis to recant bans, and the group discussed the economic and political challenges and perspectives. In addition, we reviewed historical impacts that self-quarantining may have on the use of single-use plastics as a result of hoarding, increases in deliveries, and a desire for less contact. This discussion culminated with a review of what stance our city of Hoboken has taken. Given our mayor has resisted pressure to halt a ban on single-use plastic bags, some students decided to send the mayor an email reinforcing his position. Activity 2 was kicked off watching a National Geographic video about plastics, followed by a brief review of newly learned information and what surprised them. We then got outdoors to see what kind of plastic lands at the beach for a cleanup, where the group actually experienced firsthand the human and natural world connection. Returning with our collection, we repurposed some of the bottles into bird feeders. All of the students' activities were tied to the learning framework in almost every way. Curiosity, observation, and collaboration, their investigations based on scientific explanations, and the study of issues, problems, and solutions on a local and global scale shined through time and time again. Through understanding how many cities are addressing these issues, especially at this point in time during the pandemic, a sense of responsibility and empowerment developed with advocacy and action. I could not be more thrilled to see that as an outcome. There are a few tweaks I might make, such as the order of Activity 1 and 2, but overall, learning framework connections repeatedly unfolded as the lessons and activities incorporated scales and perspectives and human and natural connections.